Ma'am Ellen May A. Lanticse, and welcome to our virtual class in English 2. So today, we're going to go through your English 2 Quarter 3 Module 5, identifying important details in expository text. Listen. Now, are you ready?
But before we will start our lesson, make sure that you have these following requirements: English 2 Quarter 3 Module 5, pen as well as your notebook. So our learning competency for today is to identify the important details in expository text. Listen. So let us now do your first task entitled, What I Know. Let us see your prior knowledge about our lesson. Direction. Listen to your teacher as she reads a short selection, then answer the given questions below. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Are you ready? Anna's Red Umbrella by Eileen V. Sampat. Anna has an umbrella. Its color is red. She loves to use her umbrella, even when the sun shines or the rain comes. My mother gave it to her. She got it as a birthday gift. Alright, let's proceed to the questions. Question number 1. Who has an umbrella? A. Anna. B. Maria. C. Rita. D. Nana. Question number 2. What is the color of her umbrella? A. Green. B. Red. C. Blue. D. White. Number 3. Who gave the umbrella? A. Sister. B. Brother. C. Mother. D. Father. 4. When does she use the umbrella? A. Rain only. B. Rain or shine. C. Shine only. D. None of the above. Number 5. Why did mother give her the umbrella? A. It's her birthday. B. She is a good girl. C. She cleans the house. D. She obeys her mother. Alright, so let us check your answer. For the number 1, the answer is letter A. For the number 2, letter B. For the number 3, letter C. For the number 4, letter B. For the number 5, letter A. Alright, if you got the correct answers, very good. So here's now our lesson. Identifying important details in expository text. Listen. What is expository text? An expository text is a type of text that gives true information about a topic. It gives us clue to get the details of a text quickly. Expository text also gives us idea to get the important details of the text given. To get the important details of the text, he must listen carefully to the text so that he can easily get the main idea. Alright, so let us now do your task in task 2. What's in? Before you start to this module, I'd like you to do your activity below. Let's see if you can identify the important details in expository text listened. Alright, direction. Identify the picture below. Give the name of the national symbol and then write its first letter inside the box. Number 1 is done for you. Here's the number 1 together with the answer. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Alright, I know all of you get the correct answers. So, let's check your answer. Number 1, picture of mango. And the beginning letter is letter M. Number 2, picture of sampaguita. And the beginning letter is letter S. Number 3 is picture of anara. And the beginning letter is letter N. Number 4, picture of a carabao. The beginning letter is letter C. Number 5, picture of a flag. The beginning letter is letter F. Did you get the correct answers? That's good. Let us now proceed to your task 3. What's new? Direction. Listen carefully as your teacher reads the dialogue below. Then answer the following questions after the conversation. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Philippine Symbols by Elisa O. Cerveza. It's a sunny Monday morning. Brian was excited to go to school. The teacher told them to bring pictures of Philippine symbol last Friday. He brought a picture of the Philippine flag and a chart of the Philippine symbols that her teacher told them to bring. His classmates had pictures too. Let's hear the conversation of a teacher and the pupils about the Philippine symbols.
Good morning, Mrs. Santos, the pupil said. Good morning, class. Last Friday, I told you to bring pictures of our Philippine symbols. Please bring out your assignment. Mrs. Santos said. Ma'am, this is my assignment. Brian said. What did you bring? Asked Mrs. Santos. Philippine flag, ma'am, answered Brian. Okay, very good, Brian, said Mrs. Santos. The teacher took the picture of the Philippine flag from Brian and started talking about it. The Philippine flag is the most important symbol of our country. It consists of white triangle, stands for equality, the blue stripe, which stands for peace, and the red stripe stands for bravery and patriotism, explained Mrs. Santos. Mary is raising her hand. Yes, Mary, what about your answer? Mrs. Santos asked. Ma'am, this is a Nara tree. It has strong and shady tree, and it also gives us good lumber. Thank you, Mary. Good job. How about you, Ryan? Do you want to say something? Asked Mrs. Santos. Ma'am, this picture is a Philippine mango. It is a tropical fruit. It may be yellow if it is ripe and green color if it is unripe. Many people love to eat ripe mangoes because they are sweet and delicious. Thank you, Ryan, for your explanation. Let's have the last one. Rick. Mom, this is a carabao. It is strong and useful animal. It helps the farmer in the field. Rick adds, congratulations to all of you. Everyone participated and recited in our discussion. Did you learn a lot about our national symbols? Yes, Mom. Now I know why we have flag ceremony every Monday morning. Brian said.
Let's proceed to the comprehension questions. Number 1. Who was excited to go to school? A. Brian. B. Anna. C. Mary. D. Ryan. Number 2. What did he bring to school? A. Picture of a mango. B. Picture of a nara tree. C. Picture of Philippine flag. D. Picture of sampaguita. Number 3. What are the different colors in our Philippine flag? A. Red, white, blue, and green. B. Red, white, yellow, and black. C. Red, white, yellow, and blue. D. Red, white, brown, and blue. Number 4. The red color in our Philippine flag stands for what? A. Bravery and patriotism. B. Equality. C. Peace. D. Brave only. Number 5. In school, how do you show your respect to our flag? A. Stand straight when singing the national anthem. B. Ignore the singing of the national anthem. C. Do not stop doing the activity when singing the national anthem. D. Play with the playmates when singing the national anthem. Alright, let's check your answer. So, number 1, letter A. Number 2, letter C. Number 3, letter C again. Number 4, letter A. Number 5, letter A. Alright, who got the correct answers? Okay, did you get it? So, let's now do your task 4. What is it? Alright. What do you mean by expository text? What should you remember when you are listening to expository text? A text is an expository text if you can easily get the important details or the main idea of what you have read. Remember that when listening, we should pay attention to the important details for better understanding. Let us now do your task 5. What's more? Direction. Listen to the story that your teacher will read. Answer the question after the selection by choosing the letter of the correct answer. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. The Sampaguita by Eileen V. Sambal. The sampaguita is our national flower. It is a small woody plant. It cannot be destroyed by strong winds and heavy rains. Its leaves are shiny and it has a short stem. It has white flowers that are small and sweet-smelling. These tiny flowers can be made into pretty necklaces. These pretty necklaces are called garlands. These tiny flowers can be made into pretty necklaces. These pretty necklaces are called garlands. We can see people selling sampaguita garlands in the streets or near the church. This plant bears plenty of flowers in April, May, and June. New sampaguita plant can grow from small branches. Alright, let's answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the story about? A. Sampaguita. B. Mango. C. Nara. D. Flag. Number 2. What is said about the sampaguita? A. National fruit. B. National flower. C. National tree. D. National flag. Number 3. Describe the sampaguita. A. Small woody plant. B. Short woody plant. C. Long woody plant. D. Heavy woody plant. Number 4. What can we make out of the flowers? A. Ring. B. Watch. C. Necklace. D. Anklet. Number 5. In what month does this plant have plenty of flowers? A. January, February, and March. B. April, May, and June. C. July, August, and September. D. October, November, and December. Let's check your answer. In question number 1, the answer is letter A. Number 2, letter B. Number 3, letter A. Number 4, letter C. And number 5, letter B. Did you get the correct answers? Alright, let's do the task 6, what I have learned. So you have to answer the following questions. First, what is a type of text that gives true information about the topic? Number 2, the short answer in number 1 give us idea to get the important details of the text given. Number 3, what should you do to get the important details of the text? Alright, let's check your answer. For number 1, expository text. For number 2, the answer is yes. And for number 3, you have to listen carefully. Alright, so did you get the correct answer? So, let's proceed to task number 7. What I can do. Here's the direction. Draw a picture inside the box that you already know about the Philippine symbols. Write a simple sentence about it. Can you do it, kid? Alright, here's the example. Sampaguita is our national flower. It has white flower. It has sweet smell. Alright, this is the picture of the sampaguita and you have to write the answers on the blank. Let's proceed. Alright, let's have a short quiz. Are you ready? Alright, let's read the direction. Encircle the letter at the correct answer. Number 1. A most important symbol of our country is a blank. What is it? A. Philippine flag. B. Mango. C. Carabao. D. Nara. Number 2. What are the different colors of the Philippine flag? A. Red, white, blue, and green. B. Red, white, yellow, and black. C. Red, white, yellow, and blue. D. Red, white, brown, and blue. Let's proceed to question number 3. Where can we see the picture of the sun? A. At the center. B. At the middle. C. At the bottom. D. On the left side. Let's proceed to question number 4. What is the shape of the Philippine flag? A. Square. B. Circle. C. Rectangle. D. Oval. Alright, let's proceed to question number 5. Which color of the flag stands for bravery and patriotism? A. White. B. Yellow. C. Blue. D. Red. Alright, let's check your answer. For the number 1, the answer is letter A. Number 2, the answer is letter C. Number 3, the answer is letter B. Number 4 is letter C. And number 5 is letter D. Did you get the correct answers? Alright, for our additional activities, here's the direction. Cut one picture of our Philippine symbols. Paste it in your notebook. Write 2 to 3 sentences about the picture. So that's all for today. I am your English teacher, Ellen May A. Lanticse. Thank you everyone and God bless.